Once the extractor cycle is finished, the doors will automatically open. It's just over a 5-minute cycle. So they're all dried and they will be returned to their color-coded box. So these ones are marked with teal and they'll go back into hive 151 supers. And they're set up on this weigh table so that we can get the weight of the woodenware and the wax after all the honey's been extracted out. We use this gorilla scale, which has a max capacity of 150 kilos, and we weigh that and mark it to a specific hive number. So we'll go to hive 151 here, and once we've weighed it, we stack them on these drip trays on this pallet so that as we finish the stack, we're able to restack the extracted supers in a way that the forklift can lift it out of the exit at the end of the extracting session.